You're about to watch the Paulie Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, Paulie here, and in this video I'm going to make a Poolish. A Poolish is like a yeast starter for making pizza. It's equal amounts of water and flour. Alright, so 3.5 ounces of water, which is the same as 100 milligrams of water. Then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of yeast in there. We're going to mix that up, but you know what? We got to put some sweetness in there and some more light. So we're going to put about a teaspoon of raw honey in there. Okay? Yeah, get that all dissolved in there. It looks great. It's so easy to make a Poolish. Why not? If you got time, do it ahead of time and spend that time. So right here we're gonna put 3.5 ounces of flour in there. We don't even need the scale no more, so we can kick that out. We just mix her up. Make sure there's nothing dry in there. So it looks like it's all pretty much mixed in. So you got it all mixed up. You're pretty much done. You just got to cover it up. And you're gonna wait, I would say at least 30 minutes. Oh, and the yeast I'm using is this active dry yeast. So we'll wait for this and let's see how the Poolish looks next. All right, just 34 minutes later, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. If you're doing a bigger batch of dough, say like more than 2 pieces, you're gonna have to wait about an hour. But this is 34 minutes and it's going in. Okay, so here's our Poolish. It's about 14 hours old. Generally, I like to keep it in there a little longer, but for you, the best subscribers on YouTube, I do it at 14 hours. It's looking good, nice and sticky. All right, here I have some cold water, 0.4 ounces. Looks like there's nothing in there, huh? I have about 2 ounces of salt. Mix that in there. Add the salt, water into the Poolish, and add this flour. I'm just gonna mix. Wow, you can really smell that. Whew, that yeast. The fermentation smell. Beautiful. This I'm gonna let rest for about 15 minutes. Okay folks, it's been 15 minutes. So let's uncover it. And you can feel it. It's a little different to it. Feels different to a touch. That 15 minutes really helps. I'm gonna spray some oil on my hands, and we're just gonna knead this. top. It's already pre-oiled. So is the lid. I like to keep it in the bowl, so the balls just holds the ball together better. That's it. Now it rests. So here's what I find to be key to making a great pizza. This flour is great. You don't have to use this kind. You can use any flour, really. You can use cornmeal. But you see, I lay this on the countertop, and now I'm gonna break out the dough. And there it sits. It's on top of that big bed of flour. I'm gonna put some more on top. And see, now I'm gonna spread out this dough. Hand spreading. And you notice I'm working from the top and spreading out to the left or to the right. And I'm spinning the piece of dough at the same time, and it's gradually getting bigger. And look at the movement of the dough on top of the countertop. A lot of people are suffering when they do this because the dough will stick to the countertop. But look at the manageability of that dough. I'm putting it on some parchment paper. Yes, I stole this parchment paper trick from Randy from Randall's Pizza in Davison. So yeah, I laid it up there, putting down some of that sauce from Meyer. Great stuff. Eventually I will be doing some videos of me making my own sauce. And this is just a plain Jane pepperoni and cheese pizza. I did put some Italian seasoning and a little bit of chili flakes on there. And now here is the pepperoni after the mozzarella cheese. Great looking pizza. Look at that. No sticking at all. We're gonna lay this one here on the pizza plate. That pizza plate is not cast iron, it is carbon steel. I love carbon steel. It's only a 1/4 inch though. So now I did have the oven heated up to 550 degrees, but now I put it onto broiler. And it's gonna get a nice overhead heat on top of that pizza. And after about 45 minutes to a minute, I remove that parchment paper. Alright, get it cut up. Folks, this pizza was amazing. I am so impressed. As always, it's about as good as you can get. Thank you for watching.